Hey, what's up guys? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph, and in case you're new here, welcome. Subscribe if you are new, and guys, remember we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. I really appreciate your love and support, guys. Please ensure you subscribe, like, share, and leave us with comments. So on today's video, guys, I'm on the road actually. Look at this guy. Actually, she saw me with the camera and she's hiding it, and she thinks it's crazy on this other end. So we'll be moving on the other side. As you see, things are really moving on nicely. So let me give you a crazy story. You see those people that have passed there, they saw me pulling up a camera, and the other has just pulled off a pullover to cover her face. But we don't mind, as long as life still continues. It will still continue, it will still continue. If I had to have a bread, I'll have a bread. If I had to have a snake, I'll have a snake. If it was meant for me to eat stones, I'll eat stones. If it was meant for me to eat bread, I'll eat bread. We don't mind, no matter what. They have surprised me. So guys, today I'm actually over here on this other road. I'm heading to our dreamland. I want to check how things will be moving on, because we have been working on what we call like the road. It was very crazy while we were bringing materials. It was very crazy when we were bringing materials. So I'm heading to see how the vicinity were making the road, and here I want to give you an update of how everything is over here in our land. So things are really moving on well. Sand.
Yo, bro.
Yo, Pesama.
Hey, how is you?
I'm doing good. How about you?
I'm very fine.
Yeah. I see sand.
Is the sand collection
Yes.
for mob construction?
Okay. Hey guys, and now the sand is very clean.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Fine.
it's fine. Yeah, guys, please subscribe to Pesaman
Yeah,
right
thank you,
here.
guys. Welcome to Claude.
Yes.
I really appreciate you people.
Yes.
One love.
Yeah.
Show love to me
Absolutely.
also. By subscribing, commenting, and sharing
And
my
sharing.
videos.
Yeah. For
Thank
sure,
you.
guys.
Let's meet in my channel.
Absolutely, guys. Subscribe and go check him out at Pesaman. So this is the river.
Yeah.
This river has been so much helpful to us, most of people who are constructing, and also to the villagers. You know, most of the villagers here harvest sand from here, the way you see, and with us we buy from them, and we smell the houses that you see. Most of the houses here, they have been constructed using this sand. We are with the vicinity.
Yes.
Hey, how are you? I'm good. Yes. How is everything?
Hey, my friend. Everything is tricky.
Tricky.
Yeah, tricky.
Why is it tricky?
You know, when you see things tricky, no money, no job.
No job.
Yeah, no money.
All right, guys. Tricky. This is tricky, man. Introduce yourself, tricky.
So, I'm David Junior.
David Senior.
Ah.
David Junior.
I've told you things
Yeah.
are tricky.
Tricky.
In my head.
Yes.
Tricky.
Guys, I've never seen somebody even forgetting his name. For sure,
So,
things are tricky.
Yeah, things are tricky. So, I'm David Senior, kindly. Go visit my YouTube. I'm gonna show you my.
Yeah, show us your
because-
channel. David
Because
Senior.
it's good to show someone.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, because
How is work over here? I see sand is good over here now. This is a clean sand.
This sand is very clean. It's good for plaster.
Oh yeah, this one.
For plastering.
This is good for plastering, guys. The way you see it, very clean sand actually.
There is no magena.
No stones inside. No stones inside. No stones inside. And actually, the river now is going slowly, but because the rains now are going slowly, very slowly. So yeah, guys, this is his name, David Senior. This is YouTube channel, David Senior. Yeah. So I'm going up there.
You're going up there.
Yeah, I wanna see what's
I
been
can
happening.
escort you.
Yeah, escort me. Hold this now.
Yeah, you can.
Yes, we are
escort.
going to the land, and we wanna go see.
Senior. You know how to hold this GoPro.
Today I'm
The video will go cornering, I tell you.
Bye, Pesaman.
Okay.
No problem.
Guys, we are heading up here. That's Marwa's villa.
Yeah, you can see that's Mara's area.
Yeah.
we are saying here we have no corner.
No corner.
Yeah, no corner.
Listen the birds, guys. Hey. So the road has been so crazy recently when the rain has been raining over here. So this is how you see it.
It's tricky.
Tricky.
I told you it's tricky.
So where we are heading, actually we are heading to our dreamland. And the other day when we were bringing materials, we spent almost 6 hours.
Yeah.
Because the road was very crazy over here. But for now, because I'm with the senior here,
The road, you can see the way the road is smooth,
from here, even I can pass it.
Yeah.
Okay, let me park here and show people what has been happening. Yeah, guys. So while this area, it used to be like a gully, it was a gully erosion that was really disturbing us over here. So this side, we just used what we call like the remaining bags of cement and also some stones to reinforce this area, so that when the water runs from up there, it comes slowly and it leaves sand the way you see, so that it passes slowly. The other day it used to be this way, guys. You can imagine it used to be like this. So even bringing materials, it used to be very crazily, but for now, due to what we have done over here, like for now, for just temporary for now, right?
Yes.
It's just temporary because some
we
days
put something like gabion.
like gabions.
Yeah.
So some days, guys, we'll buy what we call like caravats. So caravats, and we'll just do it this way some days, because for now we are using it for just to pass materials. Yeah, it's very slow and nice. The other day you have to alight, you push the motorbike first so that you can pass, but right now it's really nice and it's really great. And this work is done by the senior.
Yes.
The Vicini is the one who's doing this work. So we need more what we call like sacks, cement sack, cement sacks, yeah, cement bags, like this one. So empty cement bags, like when I was constructing at Mogende Dreamer's house, most of the sacks are here. And also I've been going around to maybe Nasto, Mayuguno, to pick the bags, so that they can be used to just have this over here. So yeah, let's go now to the other side, the Vicini.
Yeah. You can move on.
Yeah, we can move on. Now we're getting, guys, now to our land.
Hey, this piki is more enjoyable.
The motorbike is more enjoyable.
Yeah, it has more stareh.
It has more. It's a push bike.
You know when you sit in this bicycle, you really enjoy it.
You enjoy it.
You don't panic. You don't have stressing. Sometimes we need to enjoy ourselves when sitting. Yeah.
So guys, we are here, and also we are on our dreamland over here. Wow. Hey, they see now it's now good. Let me park here.
Hey,
wow.
How do you park?
I park here. Yeah. No, that's okay. It won't fall down. Yeah. So yeah, we are here, guys, and also this side we used also the bags of cement, or cement bags, empty cement bags, to reinforce this, because now water was running from up here, passing like direct to our land, and it was doing some crazy damages. Yeah, it was bringing some very crazy destruction.
You know, English sometimes is tricky.
Distraction, yeah. So, and also we have used some stones to reinforce this area. So also we will put here a gate now to mark now the privacy of this land over here. So now this is a good job well done by the Vicini over here. Hey, why is my these things, when they see specks, they want to run up.
No, that's not specks.
What are
they
those?
are too full in stomach. That's why. So they want to pick some.
Oh, they want to pick some.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is what you see, guys. We were
You
watching.
see a Rastaman passing.
Rastaman passing Jamaican Haile Selassie over the Babu. How are you, man?
Babu.
You are fine.
You are good.
Yeah, the little Jamaica here. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Can you show them a Jamaica?
Msaidie 15 mbili kama na.
Kuna brother, sisi tuko na M-Pesa.
M-Pesa. Haya bwana. Haya, poa. Yeah, so guys, we are here.
Jamaica.
That's a Jamaica, little Jamaica. I'm so
Kenyan.
a Kenyan in Jamaican in Kenya.
Yeah, Jamaica in Kenya.
Hey, and also I see a good work. Now here if I sit here. Now I sit here. I sit here this way. I put legs.
Imagine.
Guys. This you draw 4 and now when they sit this way, you are at your work here, they see the FM man.
Imagine. CJ,
show them down here. Show them. Hey guys, this work is well done by David Senior. So this, when you sit here, you literally have to step over here. Not that the legs should turn. No, you sit here to clean, just to enjoy life, a little by little. So also down there you put the same.
Imagine, but the bags were
less.
Yeah,
let's go and see, guys. Let's go and check. Let's check and see how is it. This is our land over here. So from here I'll take you back home. I'll go see how everything is going on around. We were supposed to do timber splitting today or lumbering the timbers, but the guy with the power source said that he has another work. So hopefully tomorrow it will be better for us to do timber lumbering for Ogendi, the dreamer's house, so that we can be able to do what we call like cover a crib, his own crib. Yeah, so David Senior. Hey. This is very impressive. This is very impressive. You know, you sit, you step here, you relax.
show the people how you relax.
You sit here, you can you say la vida est juice. La vida est juice. Very nice place, guys. You know, this work is done by David Senior. I told you guys, like, he's a very good and trusted man around here. So whenever we sit here now, I'll come here and do a live stream from here. If I'm bored back there at home, I come, I sit here and I say, oh, Alhamdulillah, I'm back home. I sit here now. You know, even if there's no house here at our land, but if you have something like this, you come just chill. You come for like a picnic. You come with your juice, with your popcorns. You can edit videos from here because now the network here is full.
Imagine.
Let me show you guys.
The network is full.
Let me show them my phone. The network is really full. Full.
Imejaja. Full.
Look, guys.
Show them. Full.
Look. The network is full. Very full. Look. 4G. Without even dancing. 4G, imagine. So when we haven't even having here a house, no worries. So first thing before you buy land, let me give you a secret. Before you buy land, choose an area where it's well accessible. They have road. Number 2, network issues. Even if you have a Wi-Fi and you can't make phone calls. So the number 2, network issues. Number 3, electricity, which is not even necessary. Sometimes you can use your solar panels.
Today we have a solar system.
Today.
Yes.
You can go off grid actually, you know. And number 4, maybe good relationship with the neighbors. Are your neighbors worthy? Like, are those people who will tell you, tie your goats, oh, tie your chicken, they have trespassed to my land, you know. Number 5, like the location. Is the location suitable for maybe for others to see, or is that a location where maybe if you give somebody a direction, will he be able to trace and come there? So those are the 5 major basis of if you
have you not forgotten any?
I've forgotten what?
Sociability.
So?
Sociability.
So sorry?
Sociability. You know you know sociability.
No sociability. I don't know sociability.
Sociability. How to interact with the people.
No, but I said how to the neighbors.
No, you did not say sociability.
Oh, it's called sociability.
Yeah, sociability.
I've never heard about that, guys. Sociability.
Yeah, sociability.
Oh, the ability to socialize with people.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. So another one, 6, the ability to socialize with people. 2, sure.
Sociability. You don't know sociability.
So the ability to socialize, say socialize.
Yeah, socialize.
Yeah. The ability to socialize with
Yeah,
people.
socialize.
Yeah, so if you have the ability to socialize with people, that will be the best and the best of the best. So that now if you have maybe a chicken here and it has trespassed to the neighbor, and the neighbor is beating it with the stones, talk up and queen.
Imagine.
So no, you're like, okay neighbor, your chicken is here. Or even the chicken can come and lay eggs to your home and you take the eggs to the owner. Not that when you see the eggs from here now, that's becoming now a toast for tomorrow morning. So sociability also is the best, and also
a kind of love.
a kind of love.
Imagine.
Yeah, so like me here where I am right here, guys, most of the neighbors help me here, even for free sometimes. They, oh no, so I saw somebody trying to respect and they just say no. Even the vicinity is my neighbor. You see, he has been helping me even to put some seats, and also like rectifying the road, and also on this other end fencing. You know, sometimes we give them little, but they say no, just buy us that. But it's one of the greatest. But that's why I tell him, guys, I tell you that he's very trustable and he's a very nice guy. So that's good neighborhood. And also a neighbor is somebody who will never see your property going wrong and he still keep quiet.
Imagine that's what we call love.
A love.
Now
yeah.
love.
Yeah.
Don't
So,
not that love deeply, but you know that love.
agape love. We call
agape. Yeah, agape.
Pendo la agape.
Agape.
If you're an SD, you know, if you're 7, you know to call like Pendo la agape.
Pendo la
Yeah,
agape.
Pendo la agape. I hear somebody coming from inside here.
But I heard it's from up there.
From up
Your
there.
ears are okay. I think mine are from this one.
Eh?
This. I think that is travel.
Oh, travel.
Or is it?
Let's see. Oh, Nasto!
Ah.
I was like, who is this? I was wondering, my friend. Hey, you know, sometimes I have to keep quiet. I was telling this guy,
Yeah.
let's listen, we see who is
Let's
this.
listen to that young man.
Yeah.
Yes.
So I'm seeing Claude is here also. Oh, so you made seats?
Yeah, I made the seats, bro.
These ones
Welcome.
will be helpful.
Yes, guys.
How are you, my brother?
I'm very good.
Yes.
I'm very fine.
For you, you at least you have a place where you can sit
Eh,
and relax. So I just sat there and said, let me just go to Claude's place
yes.
and see his new land. his
Okay,
new
welcome.
piece of land.
Welcome and sit. And
So this is your maze.
no, I just bought the land, but the owner said, oh, please, let me just have this one, harvest and we'll take. But yeah, I'm taking good care of them. Yeah.
It's a nice place.
Yes.
Also it's by
Yeah, guys, so let me just say, now the vicinity will be helping me as
Yeah.
So this is Claude Joseph again, guys, and I'm with Nasto here.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for paying a visit.
Yes.
This is our land. It's settled actually on 150 by 100.
150 by 100.
Yeah, 150 downwards.
Yes.
And 100 this
like
way. Yeah,
the-
you can come and sit on this side.
Yes. So
Because
this
the
way is 100.
Yeah, 100 up to the other side
So,
actually.
so where are you planning to put your future house?
My future house.
Yes.
Maybe you can walk a little bit, you see. Yeah, so we are here. Yes.
It's a good piece of land.
It's a good bit of land.
That's a good thing. You have room for expansion.
Room for expansion.
Yeah.
The
This
lake-
is here,
but the
down there.
Yeah, but this
So
neighbor,
that is
some days she said no because she was willing to expand, but the family said no. So,
how with the time.
yeah, with time. Yeah, so this is our land now. Yeah, so yeah, like now I'm really planning to bring more and more materials.
Yeah.
Like the way you see right here, I brought stones because to mark. Because sometimes if you have land, you might have and you want to put something, people might come even say no. They, anytime they can change their mind.
They can change their mind.
Yeah,
But
so-
once you see you have already
Put some.
Hey, you see? You see?
there's a gecko
Eh? A gecko.
that has gone.
It has gone.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you know,
those
the
are-
good thing about putting material like this, they will never rot.
Yeah, they
Even
will
if
never
they
rot.
grow grass,
Yes.
even if you don't build maybe immediately.
Yes,
Trust me, there will
Yes.
come a time
yes.
when you will say, oh, those materials that I bought are really helpful to
Yeah,
me.
really helpful.
Yeah.
So yeah, me actually for now, like even I feel like crying now. So you know, sometimes
Yes.
it used to be like, I don't know. You know, I used to travel. I'll
Yeah.
come back. Sometimes I feel myself like, oh my God, will I even have land
Yeah,
someday?
for sure.
But actually, they used to tell me, crowd, just be slowly, like
Yeah, yeah,
be have patience. Like apply that patience and you save a little bit, because me I used to save a little bit
For
on
traveling.
for traveling, and sometimes I save it for the land. And actually, and you know how here nowadays the land is very up. Sometimes those days back used to be even like
Once they see you with the camera,
with the camera.
they know you're a rich man.
They know you're a rich man. So with me, I was like, okay, let me save a little bit. And actually, I'm really giving much thanks to I Am Maro, because when he hosted the party, where actually doors to me opened.
All of us, like
Actually,
even me,
those opened,
my home, I built during the party. That was when we started the project.
Yes.
Around November.
Around November.
Up to now, guys. So it's been a good. It was
side
like
through.
opening through.
So me, there is when I actually had good views, and actually I saved. By that time I traveled, but in my mind was like, I'm really want to buy land. So the other side was like kinda very high. So I decided like, let me come on this other end. So right here we have around 2 trucks of sand, which is very big.
2.5.
Yeah, 2.5. This one I brought it when I was making fences. And also it's actually very different.
This one is from the road.
From the road, and I never knew about sand. Sometimes I had that eagerness of
just buying.
I want sand.
Even me, you know, the very first sand that I bought is just today that we have now. Yesterday we have started using it.
Since the other day?
Since the time I bought that land, because it had a lot of big
Stones.
stones.
You see, even like these have particles.
This one is for the road.
This one is for the road.
Also, this one is very good for making blocks.
Oh, this one. Okay, so maybe some days I wanna also start making blocks. But for now, I was like bringing more material. So this one, I had that eagerness of I want to bring material. So I met somebody there with the truck. I told him, can you bring sand there? and he told me, when? I told him tomorrow. He said like, okay, tomorrow I'll bring sand. So I found himself bringing this, and me I was excited. But now when they brought the other one,
this one is river sand.
It's river sand.
This one is very good for plastering, building, also blocks.
But also I never regret it, because it helped me to fence.
Fence around.
To fence actually. And also this side, I don't know if it's a good idea. Maybe you can give me your view. Because with me actually, when I was fencing, you see where my land is.
I'm wondering. You really left big space.
I left a big space actually. From here it's like 2 feet or 1 feet.
That's a very big space.
It's
a wall can fit there.
A wall can fit here. So I was like, maybe let me leave this for this, so that maybe I can use it to plant trees. But also when my dad came, told me it's not a good idea
to plant trees outside
and also because sometimes you can find even some people extending it on this side.
It's a common thing.
It's a common thing. People fight for borders. So like I want.
But you did well. You can also try to plant maybe some trees, maybe outside your fence, just outside 1 feet.
1 feet.
Yeah, so not too close to the border. You can just plant maybe in the middle. So that one day maybe you can put fence on there.
And also I'm building that hope, like one day maybe they wanna say, let's go this way. Let's go 2 meters aside.
You know, for me I'm at the center.
Oh yeah.
I'm at the center, so there's no room for expansion.
There's no room for expansion.
So at least you can.
I'm here for this other side. So me, what I'm really praying for is like, I'm really praying to Almighty God, like some days, even now, if I die, I'm not praying to die, but if I die, I want to be buried at home. I'll say, please take me to my place.
So guys, this is Claude Joseph. Today was just a short visit. Maybe one day I'll plan a bigger visit. So guys.
Guys, so we are here with Nasto, and I'm so much happy. Him paying a visit here for the first time. Let's go for this, guys. Like maybe it can be our thumbnail. So Nasto, actually this is our land. I told you, like, it lies on 150 by 100, which is actually, I can say it's a big piece of land, because me, I'm really, is that guy bringing trees here? You know, sometimes when I sit here, I have a big surprise for trees. So the Vicenia was really doing some great job like this.
So these are the seats.
The seats. So
these are very nice job.
Because
most of the time, at least when you come someplace,
you
need maybe to sit, at least to know you have
a little trees. These are for the neighbors. We are sharing.
At least when the sun is there, they can bring shade to this place. So this is a good investment.
For sure.
Always for me, I always believe that if God opens maybe ways for you, it's a good thing. At least try to invest your money
for sure, wisely.
Wisely. Buy land like this.
You'll
never regret. Even if you go bankrupt, you'll always say, at least I bought
I
land.
can come also.
You know, when our kids, maybe one day, they will be hearing maybe YouTube used to be in Nyabohas.
Used to be.
And they will be asking, Dad, you when YouTube was here, what did you do?
What did you do when YouTube was
you
here?
were just walking around.
Walking
the village.
around,
So
yeah.
It's a high time we took this God-given opportunity.
Absolutely.
And at least try to change our life, because
Yeah, for sure.
we'll be building here, Nasto have there. Maybe
Yes.
one day the Vicini also will be
We'll
buying
be buying his over
own,
here.
piece of land. And
Yeah.
also, you know, when you have an investment like this,
Yes.
you will cut off like unnecessary spendings.
Spendings,
You'll
yeah.
always be thinking, I still need one tip of stone. I
Stones,
still need
yeah.
one tip of sand.
Sand,
I
yeah.
still need to pay mason. So
Yeah, for sure.
this is, I think it's the best decision that you've made. Even traveling is a good thing.
It's a good thing, yeah.
But at least maybe now after traveling, you can
yeah.
now say, what
Yeah.
what do I have to even appreciate
To
myself?
appreciate
This is a
myself.
gift to you.
To you, yeah,
Like
for
it will
sure.
always be here. You will always see it. So I wish you all the best in
Thank you.
in your project.
Yeah.
Yeah, build wisely, you
Build
know,
wisely,
and don't be scared. You know, even me when I was starting my project, I used to be very scared.
Yeah, you were telling me I want to build a store. I was like, nah, store. That's store if you
For
build
sure,
a store.
you know, a funny thing is that I used to go to my friends who have built before,
Yes.
and I was asking, this store of yours,
How much
does
does
it
it cost?
Hey, it tells you, these have used like maybe 1.5 million.
Hey, and when you see it, you're like, what is this?
Yeah, you say, I cannot build. So usually we are very scared at the beginning,
Yes, for sure.
but with time, things just open up. Like
open
God
up.
can't give you something,
Yes,
and then maybe he deny you
yeah,
a chance of
At-
finishing.
for
So
sure.
just go slow.
Yeah.
Also with your own pace.
Yes.
Don't compare yourself with anyone.
Anyone, for
Just
sure.
be your own boss.
For
That's
sure.
what I can say.
Yeah, like now I have a question for you. Like
Yes.
now you are a new constructor
Yes.
in the building.
Yeah.
What are some of the challenges that you face as a?
The challenges are so many.
Mhm.
Like, but trust me, you always deal with them. But the best thing you can do at the beginning is
Yes.
to just bring materials first.
Well, for
Even if
sure.
you don't have a plan
Yeah.
for your house,
Yes.
just bring like maybe 5 tippers of
Sand. Yeah.
5 of stone,
Of
and
stones.
keep them there.
And keep them there.
One day now, when you officially start building,
Yeah.
you'll be like, building is very easy.
It's very easy.
Because the materials are already there.
Already
because
there.
mostly you only need stones and the blocks.
And the blocks, yeah.
Now cement you can, because cement, you know, in a day they can't build with maybe 10.
With 10, yeah.
They only use 2 or 3.
2 or 3,
or
yeah.
4
Or 4, yeah.
maximum. So at least those ones you can manage. You can
You
be
can
bringing
manage,
maybe
yeah.
5.
5.
Tomorrow 5.
Tomorrow
so
5.
It's easy.
It's very,
But now material. Hey, a tipper is 7,000.
7,000.
So
yeah.
imagine you don't have anything.
You don't have anything.
The day now of making the foundation,
The foundation.
they tell you bring 3 tippers.
3
You see,
tippers.
it will be a big problem. At least during the end month, where at least YouTube gives you something, bring 2.
Bring
The
2.
next month,
Bring
bring a
1.
few.
Yeah,
Next
bring
month.
a
Yeah,
few.
so slowly by slowly,
Slowly by slowly.
you'll be surprised you already have a home.
Yeah,
Yeah.
at this age where you are now, and maybe did you dreamt of maybe one
never.
day having?
That is a dream that most of us never had. Even
Never
me.
had,
You
yeah.
know, for me, I used to compare myself with my brother Nyango.
Yeah, where? Yeah.
So mostly I used to ask myself, will I be, for example, if your elder brother maybe is 5 years ahead,
5 years ahead, yeah.
you will always ask yourself like,
Yeah.
in 5 years time,
Yeah.
will I be where
Will-
maybe my brother
My brother is.
Yeah.
True story.
Yeah, so
Exactly. Even me, I will be comparing
Yeah.
myself. Same.
So those are the things
Yeah.
that I really used to ask myself. Will I one day have a purpose in
A
this
purpose,
life? You
yeah.
know, mostly we used to just live. No one knows maybe
No
what
one
you're
knows
doing. At
tomorrow,
least
yeah.
you know these days you have a purpose. Like
Yeah,
you
for
have
sure.
to wake up, you do your videos. You know, there's a time where you don't have like a purpose in life.
purpose
You
in
just
life.
wake up, you go and hustle.
Go
You don't
and
have
hustle.
plans. You
Hey,
don't
my
have.
friend.
At
Hey.
least life changed. So
Life changed, yeah.
what I came to realize is that all of us in this world, we have a purpose.
A
Trust
purpose,
me, we
yeah.
have. God has a plan
purpose,
for
yeah.
every one
For
of us.
everyone,
So it's
yeah.
just a matter of time.
For sure.
So just believe in yourself. You have to be your number one motivator.
Motivator, yeah.
Don't let other people tell you.
Any other people tell
Yeah.
you like, oh, you do this, and
For
also
sure.
if you listen to the distractors,
Yeah,
actually,
You'll never
you'll
be.
never be, you'll never do
You
anything.
never do anything.
Constructive
So
because
just-
you fear.
Yeah, because you fear. So just be yourself.
Yeah.
Find a good plan for your house.
Yes.
Like you know, even me, if I knew earlier, I
Yes.
would have maybe started with maybe a 4-bedroom
A
house.
4-bedroom
But you
house.
know, guys, sometimes we are scared.
We are scared.
So
Yeah.
that's it's normal as human
Even
beings.
meat used to
Yeah.
scare me. I used to hear around maybe 5,000 Kenyan shillings. No, 500,000 Kenyan shillings for land.
Yeah.
I used to hear like, wow,
Right.
when will I make
sure,
it
for
that?
sure, for sure.
You know, but at the moment you try to, maybe if you get 20,000 Kenyan shillings, you save 5. You do the other side. You feel like me now. I'm having a very big task at home because now my brothers are very far away.
Yeah.
So the only person who is near is Claude Joseph. So you get money and it just goes.
Yeah.
But once I believed in myself and so like, no, I need to start a strategy of saving, because now the way you said, you have to be your number one motivator, your number one believer. So I was like, no, I'm with Nasto right here. Nasto is having land by now.
Yeah.
So, and he's my friend.
Yeah.
One day if we'll sit together and say like we are doing the same thing, maybe we are getting maybe the same amount of money. What did you do the way you said?
Yeah.
What did
you do?
what did you do? I was like, no way. Let me just
And,
come back.
You know, also, and a funny thing,
Mhm.
you can have the same job,
Yeah.
the same salary,
Yeah.
but goals can be different.
Goals can be different.
Trust me.
True.
And sometimes, you know, even it doesn't mean that maybe if you're paid more,
Yeah.
you will live a better life.
You live a better
I've
life.
seen guys who maybe just
Make
do
more
border.
yeah.
But when you go and visit them in their home, they live like
Kings. Yeah,
for
they
sure.
live
So
like
it's
kings.
just about planning yourself.
Yeah, and appreciating
and
also
appreciating the
what you
little
have.
thing that you get.
Yeah.
Just invest it wisely.
Yeah.
I believe one day maybe I'll visit this place and you'll be having a very big mansion
For
here
sure.
with, I don't know if you love to put a wall or just a natural
Yeah,
fence.
I'll put a wall. I'll put a wall, but not big.
No, not just a
Temporary,
normal
a normal one. Yeah.
So guys, kindly keep supporting Claude Joseph.
Yeah,
here.
guys.
Subscribe to his channel.
Yes,
let's
guys.
show Claude love.
Yeah,
For
for
me,
sure.
I'm happy about his investments.
Yeah.
It's a good land. I think it's the same as mine, even the landscape.
The landscape, the landslide.
The landslide. all of our lands are
I'm
sliding. towards the river.
Yeah, towards the river actually.
So
If
mine is on the other end.
Yeah.
Claude is
on this
on
other
this
side.
upper side.
On this upper side,
Yeah.
there.
You know, this place, most of my relatives
Yes.
are here.
Are here, yeah.
Most people here
Are-
come
are-
from this. Even that home.
Oh,
I
that's
think that is my cousin's place.
your cousin.
Yeah.
You should. I was to go there and
Yes.
see. Maybe you can go and see how the work. Yeah.
Oh, it's here.
It's here. Yeah, we'll go and see. I'm going to take you there. Maybe
no problem.
you'll be able to see the work that he's the one who sold this to me.
Josephat.
No,
Oh,
the other one.
okay.
Yeah. So we just go and see how actually we did it.
Right.
All right, guys. So let's get there. So we came here now. You see, even people know you here.
Yeah.
So we brought them sand. Yeah, so let's go and see what's going on around on this other end. It was typical mud, and now we have this great mud over here. So yeah, this is the mom. So like today, they are doing some mud so that they can now finish everything. So
I don't know if that music has
thank you kupunguzia Daud. So this is the
that you don't get
yeah.
it now looks like
So you can come. Ura tari more. So yeah. So this house now we are trying to cover up the mud. So inside here also now it becomes a real nice bulletproof house. So like now
you've done well.
yeah.
So this is something that we will live to remember.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, even most of us, like most of our people,
Yeah.
they sell land
Yes.
at least to improve their life.
Yeah,
at
for
least
sure.
They have done this. Maybe the rest of the money they can pay for their
Yeah, for their children. Yeah.
And you know, always say that, you know, buying land, that doesn't mean that maybe you are
On your own, just to
No.
make his
like kuonea mwingine. How do
Yeah.
I say that?
like just to benefit of your
Yeah,
own.
it's not your own benefit.
Yeah, not your
trust
own
me,
benefit,
because
yeah.
also you're giving out money.
Yeah, for
also
sure.
money is not easy to find. So
Yeah, for sure.
and also we always say that you fight with what you have.
With what you
you
have.
have is what saves you.
For sure.
Yeah, so most of our people, at least if you sell land,
Yeah.
do something
Yeah.
constructive,
Yeah,
maybe
for
take
sure.
a kid to school,
Yeah.
maybe buy an animal that you can see there,
For
maybe,
sure.
Build a house like
yeah,
this.
like this.
Yeah, at least try to invest it in a good place. So
Yeah,
you've done well,
Yeah.
helping them in
Me, I was just managing,
building a
just because everything was under their so they only told me because
to help them in management.
management, just to bring them
The masons.
masons. Yeah, but the rest It's them, they know how everything is. Just to make sure that the mason, you know, there's some masons you can bring and they tell them for a mud house is 2,000 per day.
Yes.
But now me, I brought them the masons that were working for us so that they can do a good job.
This is a good thing you've done.
Yeah.
And that's how you live with your neighbors.
Yeah,
by
for sure.
helping each other with advice.
Yeah. Yeah. Also now they are going to the other house. Well, the plan is them to have the all houses. Yeah. I know you are known in here. So this is how
These are my cousins.
Oh.
This is our firstborn of cousins.
Okay.
Yes, our eldest cousin.
Our eldest cousin. He's my good friend of mine. Also Nyakwara. He's a good friend also of mine.
Cousin.
Yeah.
Mnafanya kazi mzuri.
Yeah, it's a very
No money. Wase wanye.
okay, so
So
yeah.
they know me.
Whether they know you. Oh yeah.
This is a good job.
Yeah. I know by today they'll actually finish even this area here so that everything can be so nice and great so that I can just wash my hands. I tell them
So this is how we leave our houses for ventilation.
for ventilation.
You know, most of us cook from inside the house.
Yeah.
At least because of ventilation.
Yeah.
You just leave the house like this. And also the bedrooms.
Yeah.
You also leave space.
It's a big space.
Big space. So if you forget, you lock the key for the bedroom.
You jump.
Just jump up and you get it.
Yeah.
It's a good thing you help them.
Yes.
At least they will always see where their money.
Yeah, I've gone. Yeah, for sure.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Over there,
Black soil.
it's black. This means like it's very fertile. Yeah, very.
It's very fertile.
You see, even the maize. I trust me not. Like no
No fertilizer.
no fertilizer.
No.
No fertilizer. They told me no fertilizer. Look,
Black soil is very fertile.
it's very fertile, guys, right here.
So
Even
in a good neighborhood.
you see, even the cassava. Even if I want to construct today, I'll just say like, let me put maize a short one. So that it
But
can.
don't put maize.
I won't put maize.
Yeah,
It
just
let-
you know, if you put maize,
Yeah.
you'll get used to
To plant farming, and then I forget
and
construction.
Then I forget about construction.
2 tippers are off, imagine. Yeah. But let's wait and see. Maybe he's also a cartel of sand.
He knows.
Yeah.
Sand harvest.
Sand harvester, yeah. So let's wait and see how it will go. And guys, I'm appreciating your love and support, and also thank you so much, Anasta, for paying a visit. I'm really appreciating your love and support. Now, yeah, we will see you on the other next video, guys. Please subscribe to It's Nasu if you haven't subscribed. He's on the road to now, let's say 40,000 now, because the moment you skip the 5,
Yes.
now it's 40. Yeah, now he's on the road.
Kindly guys go support me, subscribe
Yeah.
on my channel.
Yes.
It's_Nasto. Check
Yes.
me there.
Yeah.
Show me love.
Careful, bro.
Yeah, and also if you're watching from my end,
Yeah.
support my brother here.
Yeah.
Yeah, as we grow,
Yeah.
develop our village.
Our village,
See,
yeah.
this day, you know me, I used to come this side to graze when I was in primary school.
Oh,
Trust me, I
yeah.
used to come, mostly this side was our grazing area. I
Graze-
used to have my cousin who had a lot of goats.
Yeah.
So for us, we had like 3.
Oh,
So we
yeah.
mixed them there.
They're together.
So
You
you used to
can.
come this side.
Yeah.
It was forested. Like,
Forested,
there were
yeah.
no homes.
Mhm.
But I'm happy these days the village is
The village is
Maybe in
changing.
the next 5 years.
5 years.
I will have
A very
different-
big
different
difference.
houses.
So here you can see everybody. Mayuguno, Marwa.
There,
It's only you now that the trees have blocked you.
I think you can see my gate.
I can see your gate there. When you are coming, I see, oh, that's Nasto's car.
Yeah.
And it's good, like everything is going on around. So thank you so much, guys. Let's head home and show you what's going on around. Subscribe also David Senior.
Yes.
Yeah.
Show love, eh?
You're all right.
Yeah, always love, eh?
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Yeah, so guys, I'm back here at home, and home is so cool, quiet. I'm like, what? Listen. Home is very quiet for now, guys. Our home is very quiet for now. No kids here running. It's only birds and maybe some chicken around here running helter skelter. Yeah, so guys, today we're supposed to do what we call like we do some timber lumbering for my brother's house. That's Mogendi the Dreamer's house. But the power saw man or the timber lumberer told me that today he was so busy on the other side at his place. He had another job, so he promised tomorrow, which will be on Tuesday, he'll come and do what we call like split some trees, so that we can see how many timbers we'll be able to have. In a nutshell, guys, this is what you see. We are here at our grass, and the grass are doing well. It's only that some chicken are really doing some crazy work here. You see, like this already has come out nicely all the way to the others, and as you see, so I'll just try to do some more watering on them. Yeah, and then we'll see how everything is. We hope for the best, they grow well. So yeah, also through this house we have let it for just some few days, so that it can we usually say when we have to build it this way, so that it can be rained on, and also we pour more and more water on it, so that we can wait and see how it will be. So we have remained with only here, in which this place, it's actually this gap you see here and here is the same gap you see on the other side. Also the same gap, in which I need like 500 plus bricks, so that we can complete that area, or we need like 1,000 bricks, because also after we put what we call like a roof on top, they will add one brick to cover the timber. There are some places that it should be added to cover the timbers. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to split. I don't know how many feet will be split, because we have like 4 to 5 trees of the same size, or like that one down there. They are not too big, and also they're not too small. They are in the medium actually. So we are waiting to see, so that I can complete this house, maybe roofing, and also putting what we call like the doors and the windows, and the rest even somebody can go in when it is not even cemented down, you know, already they haven't put floor. The only hardest part now is putting up the roof. That's the only hard part, but we are trying. I'm trying really, no matter what, even if the pocket sometimes is drying, I see and I'm like, okay, what was started must be completed, because we started from down, guys, and we have to complete it. Not like it's a pressure, but it's something that we have to do what we call like to even bring my brother together and just like sit him down in a good way, so that sometimes even when he'll get something on YouTube, he can now finish with it slowly by slowly, because for now he's monetized, but still he's waiting for his documents, you know, and the rest will be better. That's only what we are waiting. So let me see how everything is, because if for now I put up the roof, the timbers, the roof, iron sheets, we need like 47 plus iron sheets. We put the window grills, the door grills. That's the only hardest part. Now the rest, even if you'll be getting maybe, let me say, $200 a month, he can just buy cement and pay slowly by slowly. Even he can make one room, the second room, that way as life goes on, so that I can take him out from the other side where he is. So yeah, let's wait and see. This area yet we haven't yet planted grass, but we want to do what we call like to level it well with the rake, and then go buy some best trees so that we can also put them there. Yeah, this is how the process is. So many people will be like, now you started it in a higher pace, and you are now waiting it. You know, what are you waiting? Are you waiting what? For now we left it that way, because also just like to have a short break, and also because no much finance, we have to wait also for maybe the month. Also if we get something small, maybe somebody say that I'll buy you 2 iron sheets or 3 iron sheets, we just collect, then the rest we can now finish it up slowly by slowly. Yeah, so this is it. This is our compound over here. It's so green. I love how green it is. The other day you saw I was doing some cleaning on side here, of the other side, at the other end. Also, this is my elder brother's house, who I follow. You know, here we are 6 boys. Of our 6 boys, we have the first 3 who the firstborn is going to be a deacon. He's a Catholic priest, so we don't include him as over here. So that's like we say he's a church boy on the other side. Also have the second born, who is in Tanzania, and also the third born, who is this over here. And also he's a florist. He works by what we call like trimming flowers, the way you see, as he earn a living. And also here I am, because in between him and me there was a sister there, but he passed on when I was very young. So my parents were like, let's look for another girl. Hopefully they found me, like a blaptre. Unfortunately they found me, so I'm the girl now. So between him and me there was a girl between there, so there's a big gap between him and me, but I follow him. Then from there we have Mogendi the dreamer. From Mogendi the dreamer we have our lovely sister called Felicitas. For now she's at school. Yeah, she's studying. This is the last year for her in high school. And also from there we have now Manu Claude. Yeah, so I'm the person who is balancing the equation, because upper we have 3, lower we have 3. That's Mogendi, Felicitas, Manu. At the upper we have Andrew, Nicholas, and Jacob, and me in between here, Joseph. So I balance the equation between the other one and the other one. So in total we have 7 children of us in the family. Yeah, so I'm really trying to bring together the family so that we can also stay together. As you see, my brother here, I, and the Mogendi. That's why you see even I'm in the middle. They are putting me in the middle. Water protection, security, total security. We have Mogendi there, Claude here, dad and grandma there, and also my brother here, Jacob. In him, you'll see him maybe some days on the videos, because sometimes he doesn't like cameras. Yeah, so let's wait and see what's going on around, guys, and I'll keep on updating you about what is going on around. All right. So guys, I was around here, and also we have been watering our grass on this other end around here. As you see, still I'll just try to water on the other side. Murutachota ndo moja maji, ndete tu ndo moja maji, so that we can finish the other side. And also the grass has been smiling now. You see, we have been watering it now, because today it never rained. Yesterday it never rained, no matter, like it was just making noise. The rain was making a lot of noise here, but it never rained. So it has been so sunny on the other end, so we decided to just start watering. And also a brother of ours over here visited, and he brought a very big surprise, so in which I want to show you. But before that, let me introduce him to you. Hey, Mr. Pablo.
How are you, brother?
I'm good. How are you?
Guys, it's Pablo _KE.
Yes.
This is your first time watching me on this channel.
Yes.
Kindly go watch, like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Yes.
Remember, guys, we're in a road of 5,000k subscribers.
Absolutely.
And in a road to success.
Yes.
And also, if you're from my end, go support my brother, Claude Joseph.
Absolutely, guys.
Yeah, true.
So I'm here with Pablo _KE.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for paying a visit.
Most
And
welcome.
also, guys, he brought a very great big surprise, I can say, to us over here, towards the support of my young brother Mogendi.
Yeah.
Actually, according to the recent news that you heard about what has happened those days back to him,
Yeah.
and also him is like me, we can say. It's only that maybe the age and also maybe ideological differences that we had.
Yeah.
So I decided, like, let's just put him a small crib here.
Yeah.
And so I've received support maybe from Pablo, because also Pablo, not only him bring this big surprise, he has supported us by maybe bringing timbers that you saw that the masons have been using over here, the timbers from Pablo. So also those ones over here, there you see the timbers from Pablo that helped us to do what we call like to fix the lintel. Yeah, what do you think about this project?
This is a huge project. Because
Yeah.
firstly, I'm saying I'm very much up and humble
Yes.
to you, my brother,
Weka tu hapo, yeah.
for this gesture.
Yes.
Because even I told you that I wanted to see like a man, because this now has happened to a brother.
Yeah.
All these.
Yeah, for sure.
What if you start something for him like this?
Yeah.
And it's like I'll say my dream was answered.
Yeah,
What
for
I was thinking was answered, man.
Yeah, for
The
sure.
moment I saw this, I was so much.
You are
happy.
so much
I was
happy.
happy.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm like, man, just may God bless you, continue blessing you.
For sure.
Because in families, brother,
Yeah.
what you have to know, you're not a firstborn son here.
I'm not a firstborn.
But you're a leader.
Yeah, for sure.
But you're a leader.
Yeah, man.
You act like a firstborn.
For sure, brother.
Because you have like, for me knowing CJ, I knew him recently.
Yeah, for sure.
Because I know his brothers. There's that elder brother.
Yeah,
They're
elder
still younger than
They're
me.
still younger than you.
But
Yeah.
I know that the two ones.
Yeah, the two ones.
The two
yeah.
ones. I
Yeah.
knew them. That's when I knew CJ. But now you've taken, because for now they're not here.
Yeah.
They're in different places.
Yeah, for sure.
But now you've taken that mantle like
The
like
gap.
a leader. That
Yeah.
gap.
Yeah,
So that's what's needed, man.
for sure.
It doesn't matter how old you are.
Yeah,
It matters how your parents groomed you.
for sure.
And I'm very much sure your parents are very much happy about you, bro.
True story.
Because for this.
For
Because,
this, yeah.
If he can think without our intervention,
Yeah.
them coming and saying this, Mandu's a blessing.
Yeah, they are very,
It's a
very
blessing.
happy wherever they are. Sometimes they view and they're like, man, you have done great. You have done even more than us.
True.
But we are appreciating. They're giving a hand to us prayers.
True.
Also, the other one is also becoming a priest slowly,
priest,
slowly,
yeah,
slowly.
yeah.
So he can't tap in
He
because also he's for now he's tapping from us
Yeah,
because he's still a student.
True. Yeah, true.
So, but I'm appreciating
Yeah.
and I'm so much happy for this. I'm not bragging on my own, but it's the work
It's
that
the work,
shows
yeah.
up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
true.
So, and
So you-
always I keep my head straight and I pray to Almighty God to always give us strength
Yeah.
and keep on blessing us. So, yeah, guys,
This,
come on.
this huge man.
Yeah.
And I love the stuff that you're
Yeah.
doing.
Yeah.
You love
So,
the
guys, let me show you what Pablo brought us today. I decided to save it inside here.
Yeah.
So we had 1.5 cement over here.
Yeah.
Pablo brought us one big cement.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right.
thank you so much, brother.
most welcome.
Thank you so much,
most
man.
welcome,
And
bro.
God bless you.
Because I know at least it will help
It
someone.
will help, yeah, for
And
sure.
I think you'll have to tie this on here.
Oh,
because
this
cement usually loses that strength.
Okay.
So look for a rope and tie it.
And do this, and then I put
Yeah, so
something.
that the air can't penetrate.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
it can't
This.
penetrate.
Oh
And
yeah,
tie
I
it.
never knew that. I've been
Because
constructing.
It usually loses
Oh,
that strength.
the strength.
Yeah, that's almost where they're
I
covered.
never knew. So,
So they usually tell you the moment you open it, just use it.
use it
Do
completely.
not leave it that way. It will turn to be like a
Stone
rock
or stone.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So,
Yes. Thank you so much,
You're most
Pablo.
welcome.
Yeah.
CJ.
Yeah.
And I believe that one will at least help somewhere.
Yeah.
And also, guys, kindly let's support our brothers here.
Yeah, for
Let's
sure.
support them. Let's show them love.
Yeah, for
Even
sure.
if you're having a bag of cement,
Yeah.
maybe if you want to buy like a iron sheet,
Yeah,
go
for
to
sure.
the description box.
Yeah.
Channel, you can see CJ's details there.
For sure.
You can either support him, guys.
Yeah,
Support
for
him.
sure.
Not
Yes.
that most people usually say that we are begging. Not that we are begging.
not
If
begging.
you're good-hearted and
Yeah.
you see what these young people in Nyabansa are doing,
Yeah.
because they do support our. You know what I like about our fans and
Yeah,
subscribers?
for sure.
They do really show us love and support.
For
us.
sure. And we
They
don't
do.
take them for
We don't
granted.
take that for granted.
Yeah.
And may God always
Keep on
bless you.
blessing
keep on blessing
you. Keep on
guys.
blessing you
So
guys.
if you're touched with this project,
Yeah.
kindly
Support us,
Support
guys.
while
For now,
you
we are
can.
looking towards like the iron sheet.
the iron sheet.
We need like 47
47
plus iron
47
sheets.
plus.
Yeah.
It's not that
It's
easy.
not that easy.
But it will happen.
I'll feel the beat.
I tell you, it's not easy.
Yeah,
It's
guys,
not
this
easy.
was Pablo, and yeah, it's really not easy actually.
Not easy.
Yeah. He has experience
I
actually.
know.
Those days back when I was buying this iron sheet,
Yeah.
trust me not, I used to buy this iron sheet one at 650.
Yeah. Imagine.
But now going to buy such kind of an iron sheet,
It's 1300.
it's 1,350. It has already tripled,
Yeah, and you know now.
not doubled.
And you know now they're adding the taxes. I think
Yeah.
it will go a bit high.
Yeah, for
Because
sure.
even when I was building my house,
Yeah.
I was building a small, but when I get
Small,
money,
but you small.
when I get money,
Same
that's
way.
what I did. So
Yeah.
when I started building,
Yeah.
when when now the prices had hiked, it
Had-
already had iron sheets in my
Yeah,
house.
in the house.
When
yeah.
Sage was constructed, when I was feeling the
He was feeling the beat.
Do you know, man?
How
Even
did
he
you
went
do
for some sheets that were a bit
Low. Yeah.
because I've seen now they've started making some rust.
Some rust, yeah.
Even I told him, you see now what I told you.
It's
So
better,
you
yeah.
need now to
Take
remove
off
them, then
fix
replace
that,
them with,
yeah, with the other ones.
because there's no shortcut.
There's no shortcut,
There's no
actually. No shortcut.
So man, building here. I can see, man. You know, even what I forgot using my house.
Yes.
I've just seen it here. This
The rubbers.
because you know there are places where they're leaking.
They're leaking,
They're
yeah.
leaking.
It's
The
good
rubbers
actually
are
to
away.
use these
Yeah,
rubbers.
These rubbers. This is what
Yeah.
is recommended.
It's recommended.
So in case these are the top of
Yeah.
the nail passes the water can't
Yeah,
penetrate here.
can't
By the
penetrate.
way,
And
that's
also
what
you see like this one, this
Yeah,
nail,
it's
it's
rust.
rusting, but it protects it from
protected.
this.
Yeah, to protect the shit from
The iron sheet
getting
from
out.
rusting.
I think that's what I was not told to do.
Oh yeah.
But now when we went to roof our parents' house, I can
Yeah.
see this a guy who wrote like you need rubbers. Even if it is house,
Yeah.
we had to get the rubbers.
The
We had
rubbers,
to get
yeah,
the
are the
rubbers.
best.
That's
The
best,
rubbers
by
are the
way.
best.
That's the
Yeah.
best, by the way.
Yeah. So this actually was preparing me to have like that how do we say? It's preparing you. It's like an example.
Yeah.
You must
yeah.
have an example, then you do the
You
real
do
work.
the real work.
Yeah.
now.
So
You
like
do the real
me,
work.
I'm not saying like it can be a sketch, but it's like a house that.
You know, and you know now you have a rough idea.
Yeah, have
what
a rough
construction
idea. Yes,
entails,
yeah.
what it's needed.
How much money can
Even
you have?
how much, even when now building, if you're building your dream house,
Yeah,
you'll be having that rough idea.
for sure.
That rough idea. Right?
Yeah.
So even me, it's really put me to another level.
Yes.
Whereby no one can lie me about construction.
Construction,
You
yeah.
cannot lie about.
Somebody can tell you a
When someone
cement.
tells you, no, not at all.
You don't know. I know
No,
this. I have
don't,
this. I
don't.
have this.
Don't lie to me.
Yeah.
about
So
that.
yeah.
And it's not. Even if this guy tells how much he has
Spent
much I
here
spent here.
up to this
my
end.
friend, you'll think that I know this guy.
The good thing is I'm recording them down
Yeah,
so
keep-
that one day I'll just even
down.
somebody tell me how much is this?
This
I'll
is
tell
what
you
I-
it is this one. If you have
is
this
what I-
kind of money, you can
Yeah,
construct
and
this.
it's good to have records.
Yeah,
It's
for
good
sure.
to keep records.
Yeah.
It helps you to budget, even if budgeting for another building.
Yes.
Or if you want now to build a bigger house than this,
Yeah.
you're saying the bigger house will be like either 3 of these or 4 of these,
Of this,
and
yeah.
maybe it will need more enforcement.
For sure.
Because now for you, now if building your your dream house,
Yeah.
you'll need steel.
You need steel, yeah.
You need steel.
You need
Where
steel.
to be supported from the junk corners,
For the corners,
from
the
here,
middle,
it runs there,
the other
yeah,
side.
so
and
that now-
and the steel is not even easy.
not easy. you know what I've said. There's a guy that I saw.
Yes.
Mostly I do follow these pages of engineers.
Yeah.
I do really get so many ideas how people do a lot of blunders.
Yeah,
the houses
blunders.
collapses.
Yeah, for sure.
So there's a guy who was buying materials,
Yeah.
storing materials.
The guy will
Then,
say kazi
Yeah,
safi."
'cause it's
Yeah, I know that guy.
so he
Kazi.
buys.
Yeah.
So you know, one thing about him is that he had a dream.
Yeah.
He had a dream. So when there's a time I went, he did sold to me some material,
Material.
the steel.
The steel, yeah.
Yeah, the D10, because by then they were so expensive. Told me, son, I can see what you guys are doing for your parents.
Yeah.
Let me give you some.
D10, yeah.
So that guy has a lot of steel.
Oh my god.
You're getting them. So the guy tells me like, I have a dream to build my house, and when you store them in a place where there's no leakages, of
Leakages,
water,
yeah.
they do.
Well,
They will last for
a long
period
time.
of time.
Yeah.
So he has them, and he has that. That at first they used to be strong quality. For now, they usually make like,
There are some counterfeits.
some counterfeits.
Yes.
But he's a different quality.
Yeah.
So it's like even if they last for me, I don't know how many still, I still have them.
We
here.
still have them here.
Because that's what takes a lot of money.
Yeah, for
Buying
sure.
those materials.
Materials.
Steel, cement,
Yeah, steel, cement.
cement.
Labor can be like
Labor
you
can-
you
yeah.
can bring a mason and you tell him
talk, yeah,
to
today
Dell,
I
but
paid it.
cement.
But cement you can.
If it's stuck here, you don't have it. It's there.
It's there.
Steel. If you have been putting a bed, it's called like a floor bed,
Yeah.
and you need like 100 steel, and you have 50. You won't use wood.
won't.
You won't use wood. It will be like you have to bring those 50.
And
Yeah.
most masons
Yeah.
since I think this national construction board started following up.
Yes.
Because even there are some who are registered now. They are registered, those bodies. They do really fear doing shoddy work.
Shoddy works,
Someone will tell you, no.
No.
You
Customer, bring this.
or you might call him and he dodges you.
He
So they are
dodges you.
fearing. Most of them fear to be arrested.
They want to do a real great work.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Pablo.
Much appreciated, man.
I'm really
You
loving
keep,
this.
Working.
Yes.
Keep pushing, man.
Yeah.
And God will bless you, brother.
Yeah, for sure. Thank you so much. Let me water a little bit here,
Okay.
and then we can move, because now I have a motorbike here.
True.
Yeah. So guys, let me show you what we have been doing around here. We have been watering the grass on this other side. So the grass has been around here. So we are watering the grass up to this other end, so that we can, no matter even if it's raining, sometimes it's just make noise and it doesn't rain. So it's better we give it some little water so that they cannot wilt. Yeah, me, I'm really happy for this grass. Yeah, there's a grass here giving me hope. Yeah, Pablo, there's a grass giving me hope here. Yeah. There's this one giving me hope. Even I'm adding it water. It's very green. And also this one. I don't know them what they ate.
They've already germinated.
They measured well.
Is it the same? Is it
It's
the same?
yeah,
type?
it's the same species.
Okay, same species.
Yeah,
Okay.
same species. So I'm trying
If
to
this rain rains today, but you know it started then it has disappeared. But I
Yeah.
think when I came, it was raining somewhere. There.
somewhere.
So I think maybe when it rains like today.
Hey, chicken, have manners. What are you doing here? Hey. Now he's happy. Hey, some chicken. They don't have manners.
So if it rains,
yeah.
it will be really help you because you know for the past 2 days
Yeah.
we're not
No
experiencing
rain.
rains.
Yeah,
But I think when it rains, we're able to help you.
to help us over here.
And I like how you did them in lines.
In
'cause when
lines.
they grow now.
They can just intertwine.
Yeah.
Yeah, even I had no this idea. When my brother came,
Yeah.
he was like, "Why did you remove this idea? It's only us who plant this way, but we have different types of how you plant. You can plant one. They can intertwine when you take good care of them. But if you want it to grow fast, you put them this way,
Okay.
Yeah.
In lines.
in lines. Yeah. Yeah. So, but I'm so much happy for this.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, I'll end this video here. I'll say thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. Remember, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and if guys you haven't subscribe. I'm crying for subscribers. Please subscribe, guys. Tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. And also, what matters a lot, guys, if you're watching and you see an ad, please don't skip the ads, because they give you an option of skipping. Let it not be so boring to watch the ad. Please watch the ad to the end. That you'll see, if you watch to the end, we'll finish this house. And also, if you're from my end, subscribe to my brother here.
Can you go watch at Pablo_KE, guys?
Yes.
Go subscribe, like, share, comment. Watch the video till to the end.
Yes.
That's how we get a living, guys.
Yeah, for sure.
Rather than either coming here, maybe asking every time,
Yeah,
help me.
help me.
Trust me, you can help me by watching that video
Yeah,
till to the end.
For
Share
sure.
it to your friends,
For
share
sure,
it to the
guys.
family, share to anyone that is close to you,
yeah,
and tell them to subscribe, guys.
For
And
sure,
God
guys.
will bless you.
for sure, guys. Thank you so much. Be blessed, and bye bye
for
from
now.
our amazing house here and beautiful greenery. Bye.